Scout nila yan.
Dismount yung color. Dismount.
Okay, we will fight them, we will fight them. Yan, nag-dismount yung color, let them.
Flyway yung
Spread out lang boys, open world.
Flyway yung color path. Flyway.
Not of kings, nor thrones, nor dread,
4 pointer
but
lang.
Tayo.
of a flame
We will catch them, okay, we will.
that
Huwag mo na mag-go, paglalaban sila dyan tayo. Usina. Check good. Ingat kayo sa engage nila, saan yung engage nila? Ito yung engage ha.
stood alone.
Yan yung engage ha, yung caller ha, yung heart ha. Looking sila, atas muna.
His guilt
Looking sila, go back muna, may mob.
turned gray.
Looking sila, yan o.
None remained, but he chose to stay.
Silang, looking sila.
Then came
Pinaprovoke ko.
a man with little to say.
Ayan, brawl nyo
No
nga sa
sword,
center pre,
no
yan, brawl nyo nga.
shield, just
Yan,
hope
looking sila,
to
engage sila,
live.
engage. Yo, stop natin, booking, mag-engage tayo sa backline. Onto sa backline, go to the backline. 3, 2, 1, trapis. Snap.
Asalin sila.
Trapis, patayin yung isa, kahit isa lang,
Oh, the
patayin
fire
yung
was
isa.
small,
Patay
but
lang isa.
worn
Patayin yan. Bro lang. Mag-engage sila, son. Balik na.
not born of rank,
Patayin
nor
yung isa, ito,
fate, no name,
Isa,
but
Patay na to.
those who
Engage sila ulit.
and
Yo, hilili sa front line. Sa front line. Shan, pabuhay ka. Ready, mag-engage tayo, son. Mag-engage tayo. 3, 2, 1, sa backline na. Trapis sa backline.
with dreams
Patay na yan. Balik mo na yung iba. Mag-engage tayo. Control natin ulit. Mag-engage sila ulit. They will engage yun. Spread out. They will engage yun.
Belt.
They trained with they fought with fear. They shared their bread, they lost their
Turn out
pride.
boys, turn out.
Oft they fell and wounds ran deep. They held
Yo,
their
go back again.
vows, they did
Mamatay na
not
color nila.
Spread out, di ka na die. Spread out.
Oh, the
Mamatay na.
fire
Okay, kill
grew
the color. Kita color.
the
Right away.
flame held
Kita color right away.
They
Oh, yeah, looking sila. Looking sila. Spread out lang. Patayin niya yung isa.
Wala akong mana.
Patay na tayo. Looking sila. Nag-engage na. Trapis. Patay na yan. Hilili. Likuran nyo. Punta nyo sa dulo. Go in. You're strong, boys.
Patay sila.
Patay. They're done, boys. Spread out lang. Baka maka-engage pa. Careful lang.
Yung color path nasa akin.
Kill the color.
Patay na.
May pataka siyempre.
Hinahabol ko yung height niya lang.
Wait, saan ka?